When you first turn it on, this is the screen you'll see. You'll notice it only shows 3.5 kilobytes of RAM because that's all that is available for BASIC to use. The screen editor is very friendly and will allow you to cursor around on the screen. If you hold down the control key and press a number, it will change the color you're working with. Here are the primary colors the VIC has. Although the machine is classified as a 16-color machine, it really can only produce 8 foreground colors. The other 8 are for background only. These keys stand for reverse on and off. The effect can clearly be seen here. Almost all of the keys on the VIC produce some kind of graphic character when typed with Shift or Commodore key. One neat feature of Commodore BASIC is that all these goodies can be embedded into your programs. For example, let's make a program and use some quotes. We'll hit the keys for clear screen, followed by the color black, then some text, a few cursors down and to the side, and then the command for blue. When the program is run, the special keyboard codes are reenacted just as if you had done it manually. By pressing the Shift and Commodore keys together, you can change the case from all caps to mixed case. To load from cassette, simply type the word load in BASIC and it will instruct you to press play on tape. Once it detects that you have pressed play, it will start searching for the first program it finds and begin to load it. If you save many programs on a tape, it is helpful to note down the tape counter position so it's easier to find in the future. To get the directory of a disk, you would type this. The 8 means device 8, which is usually the first disk drive on a Commodore system. This command loads the directory just like a BASIC program, and so you list in the same manner. Now, if we want to load a program, we can specify one or use an asterisk for the first program on the disk. Once it's done, just type run to start the program. To sum up this video, I'm going to show you parts of a demo written in 2008.